Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty is Joy Forever. In this video, today I will explain about different eyes makeup that can enhance your beauty and your personality. Today the topic of my video is dolly eyes, doll-like eyes. Dolly eyes, also known as doll-like eyes, are a popular trend in the world of the fashion and beauty. The term dolly eyes refers to specific type of eye makeup and contact lenses that aim to create an appearance reminiscent of the dolls. This style emphasizes large, wide, and innocent-looking eyes that captivate attentions and enhance your charms. Here we will delve into a detailed descriptions of dolly eyes, exploring their characteristics, techniques, and cultural significance. The key feature of dolly eyes is their size. The aim is to create an illusion of the larger and round eyes similar to those found on dolls. This video is all about doll-like eyes and eye makeup. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel and share my video to your loved ones. Dolly eyes is achieved through the clever use of the makeup and in some cases specialized contact lenses. The eyes are often elongated and widened with eyeshadow, eyeliner, and false lashes. Soft pastel colors and shimmery shades are commonly employed to enhance the doll-like effect, while the lower lash line may be accentuated to create a more wide eye appearance. To start, the base makeup around the eyes is applied evenly to ensure a smooth canvas. This is followed by the application of the light-colored eyeshadows on the entire lid, with emphasis on the inner corner and under the brow bones to create an illusion of the depth and brightness. The lower lashes line is delicately lined as well, often using a white or nude-colored eyeliner to make the eyes appear larger. This is all about dolly-like eyes. Please share this video. Thank you.